You've got this modern stone kitchen, which forms the centerpiece of the home, and it flows so well out to this covered entertaining area. And the great part about this property, it's like your family compound. And from this entertaining space, you can watch the kids and also have a little outlook towards the pool.
This truly is an impressive family home. You've got 4 oversized bedrooms upstairs, including this master suite with a walk-in robe and ensuite. You've got a 5th bedroom on the ground floor, and this great space for a home cinema or a 6th bedroom if you need it.
This home is not short of areas that you can find to sit back and relax, and I love this spot. And you can watch the kids in the pool. So I thought I'd save the best for last. It's a triple car garage. And what I know is if you've got a triple car garage, there's room for the race car. And without getting carried away by the race cars, this is an awesome lifestyle area. I love the Port Hacking Dolans Bay community. Is this the one you've been waiting for?